So hi there buddies, hope you all are great. So in this video I'm gonna tell you how you can get WPMU Forminator Pro WordPress plugin in just $3.5 with lifetime update and license key enabled. So I'm gonna tell you how you can purchase this plugin and how you can install it in your website. So before going to the video, I want to tell you this thing. This is not any crack or null type of plugin. You will get lifetime update with this plugin. Just fill the details and go for the payment. Now you see this, after the payment will be done, you will get the files. The first one you see, this one is the plugin file, main plugin file, and there is this add-ons file. You will get all the add-ons with the plugin, so no need to worry about any single add-on. Click on upload plugin, choose file, install it. Now you see this, our plugin is activated. Now you see this, from here you can access all these features: contact form, quotation request, newsletter sign up. You can create these forms. Now you see this, from here you can create these forms. You can also use these templates. There are a lot of templates here, so you can use any of this template. So I hope you like this video. If yes, then you can give this video a like and do subscribe this channel. So that's it. Thank you and bye bye.